spent 16 quid on this, bro. 16 quid on this. So guys, I'm waiting for my gate to show so I know when to board. I don't understand why people are staring at me. Anyways, so and I got Shake Shack earlier and it was a waste of £16. Shake Shack is very disgusting, but I'm at Gatwick North Terminal and they don't have a lot of food options, so I just had to deal with what I was given. Guys, I'm walking to my gate. Finally. On our way to get our bags, and then we're gonna go find our transfer straight to the hotel. So yeah, that's good. I'm gonna go have a shower, change, get the day started. It's literally 10 AM here, so it's literally the beginning of the day. Let's see what today holds. This is part of the hotel. That way they've got the spa, swimming pool, they've got the kids playground. We're at a restaurant. I got some grilled wings, salad, and a glass of wine. This is my setup. I'm very much enjoying myself. Morning, guys. Currently going to get breakfast and then cleaning my room. It's gonna be so choppy because I've just been everywhere, but right now we're going to get some lunch and then we're gonna probably head down to the beach again, and I forgot a towel again. My outfit of the day properly when we finish getting lunch. But yeah, right now we're just gonna get some lunch. I look really cute. I need to pick my content later and post it, but yeah, these are the earrings that I'm wearing. I thought he was spinning something. These are the earrings that I'm wearing. The shorts are from ASOS. I got some rings on. Yeah, I'll see you guys once we're done with dinner. Guys, currently going to the beach. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's literally down there. And these are my surroundings. This place is such a pretty island. I really love it. I love peaceful places. Really at the beach, just walking. You can see how far it stretches out. It's so beautiful. The sea is literally so blue. I love it. Pictures, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Not even solo traveling because I'm with my son, but when you don't have another adult with you, don't be afraid to ask people to take pictures. The worst thing they're going to say is no. If they say no, which I doubt they will, just go about your business. So yeah. The beach now. This is our little setup. I just bought this towel from the shop. It says Fuerteventura. Got his little bucket and spade. Do you want to show them, Baba? Making a sandcastle. The water's right there, so we might just go have a little bit of a dip, but I don't know. Hey guys, I'm about to make my way back to the hotel. Have a really good time here, and yeah, we're gonna go get some lunch, and yeah, probably stroll around after. I want to go get dinner somewhere, but I don't know. We'll see. very beige today. I've got my sandals on. I'm just having a stroll around the city. Probably gonna go in here and check out what perfumes they've got. This place is called Douglas, sorry. They've got some special offers, so. Lunch closes at 5 at the hotel, but I'm kind of thinking, do I even want to go back for lunch? I don't want to go back for lunch. I think I'll go back for dinner. Just looking around, this place just sells like beach stuff. I just want to explore a bit. I didn't get to explore much. I'm probably going to go into Spa, see what they have. You know, tomorrow's our last day, so I'm just really trying to soak up this entire island. I don't want to leave here feeling like, oh my gosh, I didn't go here, I didn't go there. I'm in Spa, thinking I should pick up some snacks for the room, just to hold us over. It's actually really cheap here as well, so that's good. They've got some crackers. I'm thinking, what should I do? So we're outside the hotel, waiting for our taxi to come. So we're in the cab to town. My outfit is so nice. I can't wait for you guys to see. It's like a really nice long dress. Yeah. Sad this holiday's coming to an end. I'm really upset. I don't want it to end, but what can you do? You know? What can you do? Hey guys, so we just went to the shops, got a drink, and I also got my son a little Hot Wheels car so he can behave himself. Also as his little souvenir. So, yeah. I already looked. Bags that they have. They even got YSL. You know it's not the real one, but they got all these different bags. I like you want to buy a bag though. Gracias. Let's see. So we're at lunch now. Yeah, I got a glass of wine. I really need this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm very tired. After this we're gonna go relax. So guys, I'm walking to town because I want to go I want ice cream, really and truly. Like, I actually want ice cream, and there's ice cream at the hotel, but I just want the ice cream in a cone. Like, I want to get ice cream, I want to sit down somewhere, relax, really soak up the last day of this holiday, because obviously it's coming to an end. So yeah, I'm gonna get cheesecake. It looks nice.